traveled to Detroit, Michigan, which is also known as Motor City and the birthplace of Motown Records. We enjoyed visiting Detroit and actually staying at Mr. Motown Berry Gordy Jr. himself's mansion. After founding Motown in 1959, Gordy signed dozens of famous R&B and soul groups. Our friend, art consultant Alan Brown, the current homeowner, graciously hosted us for the weekend.
It's my dream! Oh my god, my dream! Can I see this? It's beautiful!
Sure.
This is amazing! I have a Tesla! I want this! This is amazing!
So here's the philosophy of retired life. It's so many years of go-go. And how many years are those? How many years do you really have as you're mobile, as you're doing things, before you get to slow go, before you get to no go? So you gotta maximize your go-go while you can do it, before you get to slow go, before you get to no go.
So the Bowlus weighs about 3,250 pounds, and the Tesla X can pull about 5,000 pounds. But you figure there's another 1,000 pounds of stuff, so we're going kind of slow today, getting the battery up, trying to figure out what's heavier in the car. Garrett, what'd you have for lunch? Garrett? He doesn't talk much. He's like Penn and Teller. I tell the jokes in his face. Abner, we got people moving in next door. Don't like them already. Looks suspicious to me.
I was wondering, what kind of trailer are you towing with that? And can you only tow if you've got like a Tesla X? I was also wondering, like, is it a drain on your battery?
Everything's underneath. Got my little cushion here. And now I have to remember not to get the truck.
Yes. Get those trucks.
Go like this. Yes. Left blinker.
Oh.
Right blinker. Brakes. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Motown Mansion, Detroit's true icon, is steeped in history. This 1917 gem, located in the historic Boston Edison district, was home to the legendary Berry Gordy, the founder of Motown. Gordy's ownership spanned nearly 4 decades, from 1964 to 2002. We explored the Diana Ross bedroom, the famous bowling alley, and the spot where Michael Jackson was first signed onto the label. After founding Motown in 1959, Gordy signed the Temptations, the Supremes, the Four Tops, Marvin Gaye, Stevie Wonder, and the Jackson 5. The 10,000 square foot home sits on 2.2 acres, built in an Italian style with a limestone exterior, has 10 bedrooms, 5 fireplaces, and a lower level ballroom, all on a stunning sunroom. When Gordy lived in the house called Gordy Manor, at the time it also had a 5-hole golf course. At the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation, we journeyed through time, from race cars to freedom rides, modular houses to microprocessors. The exhibits were a captivating blend of history and innovation. Each item had a story to tell, inspiring, informing, and engaging us in ways that no image or description could replicate. Seeing an electric car, the EV1, and the Bowlus in its original form was amazing. We also got to be interactive. If you're visiting Palm Springs, California, stop by iFresh Cuts for a great haircut or just to chill out. Located near the center of downtown Palm Springs with plenty of shopping and food.